Assalamu alaikum students. Today I have solution of another nice Olympic problem. 5 power x plus 6 is equal to 6 power x plus 5. Then find the value of x. We will solve this problem for the value of x. Here solution. 5 power x plus 6 is equal to 6 power x plus 5. Here we have power rule. If a power m plus n, then we can write a power m into a power n. We will use this identity here. 5 power x into 5 power 6 is equal to 6 power x into 6 power 5. Now dividing both sides by 6 power x. In the next step, 5 power x into 5 power 6 is equal to 6 power x into 6 power 5. Dividing both sides by 6 power x. Cancelled, and we are left with 5 power x over 6 power x. 5 power x is equal to 6 power 5. In the next step, we will divide both sides by 5 power 6. 5 power x over 6 power x, 5 power 6 dividing by 5 power 6 is equal to 6 power 5 dividing by 5 power 6. Well, these are cancelled, and we are left with 5 power x over 6 power x is equal to 6 power 5 dividing by 5 power 6. Here we will apply another identity. If a power m and b power m, then we can write a dividing by b whole power m. Now we will apply this identity here. 5 over 6 whole power x is equal to 6 power 5 and 5 power 6. Now we will apply a log rule here. We know that if log of a power x, then we can write x into log of a. Taking log on both sides, log of 5 power 5 over 6 whole power x is equal to log of 6 power 5 over 5 power 6. And we can write x into log of 5 dividing by 6 is equal to log of 6 power 5 dividing by 5 power 6. Now dividing both sides by log of 5 dividing by 6, because we have to find the value of x. Log of 5 dividing by 6 dividing by log of 5 dividing by 6 log of 6 power 5 dividing by 5 power 6 and dividing by log of 5 dividing by 6. These are cancelled and the value of x is equal to log of 6 power 5 power 6 dividing by log of 5 dividing by 6. Moreover, it can be simplified as, here we will again apply a log rule. If log of a dividing by b, then we can write log of a minus log of b. Apply this rule here. Log of 6 power 5 minus log of 5 power 6 dividing by log of 5 minus log of 6. Again we can apply log property which we have previously used. 5 into log of 6 minus 6 into log of 5 dividing by log of 5 minus log of 6. This is the simplified solution of our given problem. Hope so you like this problem. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.